So guys, how to make progress bar in OpenShot? It's really simple. I am using the OpenShot version 3.2.0. We have our sample project on. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, Views, Advanced View. We have our sample video on the timeline. For progress bar, go to Title, again the title. From here, select the solid color, then the background color. This will be the border color of our progress bar. Press on OK. Give it a name like border, save. Bring it to the timeline. Give it same length. Move the playhead to the starting position or at the start of the clip. Suppose our clip is here, then the playhead should be at the start of our clip, like here. Now resize the solid layer and give the shape of our progress bar. Position it where you want. Then the middle color of the progress bar, same. Title, solid, suppose white, OK, save. Same, bring it to the timeline, same length, select the black layer, right click, copy, keyframes, all. Select the white layer, right click, paste. Now white layer have the same properties as our black layer. To show the border, go to left side, from properties, scale X. Now it's 0.97, change it to like 0.94 and the Y 0.06. Scroll or move up. Now the progress line. Title, solid, suppose orange color, OK, save. Bring it to the timeline, same length. Copy the white background properties. Right click on the orange layer, paste. Go to right side. From here, select the crop. Left click, drag and drop over the orange layer. Click on the small icon. Suppose we want to start our progress bar from 4th second. Right click on the right size, insert keyframe. Now the duration, suppose 12 seconds. Right click, add another keyframe. Select the first keyframe, click on the icon, change the value to 1. Select the starting keyframe, same, change the value to 1. Now if we play it, see, we have our progress bar. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.